Hello. Hey Erin, this is Kathy. I want to show you what I got here for you to pick from what I got on hand. This apron is the one that I probably wear the most, and I sort of use it as a wearable dish towel, if you will. I wipe my hands on it quite a lot. Anyway, it's a woven cotton, and I don't know if you can see that, but you can see light through it. It's very light, but it does keep my clothes clean when I'm painting. What I've got on hand is, let's see, this is a twill. It's a lightweight cotton twill, and I use it for dish towels, but I think it would make up into a nice apron, and I think I'm just going to make one up like that and see what it's like. And these colors, I don't know these are going to appeal to you that much. They're kind of in the green, khaki gray kind of a color. I've got them in my neutrals, and these are cottons also. I think this one is a twill, but it's got more of a hand to it than that white. And this one again is very similar to that. I got these off a table at the fabric store, like where fabric for men's trousers kind of thing might be, where they got a little bit of hand to them, crispness. And there's one that's similar. It's a woven, it's not a twill, and it's kind of a khaki color. That would probably do alright too. And then I'm going to take you over here and show you what I got in the linens over here. Now don't discount a linen, because it's a workhorse. That bright red up there is a lightweight, and these things wash beautifully. Don't let them trick you thinking they're not, because they're not grandma's hankies. And I've got that in a cobalt blue and a black here, and a kind of a turquoise color. Those are kind of a medium weight linen, I'd say. And anyway, that's what I've got on hand. That's lighter than the denim. And I'm going to have you help me choose a fabric. I'm going to we'll work a little bit here to see if we can find something that you like. Oh, the last thing before I say goodbye is if you have an apron now that you like the fabric on it, try to get a good picture of it close up, you know, so I can see the weave of it, and then let's see if I can find something similar down here. And I'm kind of assuming you want something that's not white. But anyway, I'm so excited that you ordered this apron. You're my first apron order other than that industrial thing. So anyway, thank you, and we love you, honey, and we'll be talking to you. Bye bye.